Today we're going to show you how to count your stitches and your rows when you're crocheting. So today we're working in single crochet and we have made a swatch of 7 rows by 10 stitches. So let's show you how to count your stitches. Each little V on top is a single crochet. So if we go from left to right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then the loop that is connected to your hook doesn't actually count as a stitch. And now I'll show you how to count your stitches when looking top down at your work. So each upside down V is a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then your 10th stitch on the right hand side. Now let's have a look at how we count our rows. So again, each of these little V's of single crochet is going to be counted as a row. So from top to bottom, we've got 1, 2, 3 rows, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so every second row is going to look a little bit different to the one above, as that is the reverse side of your work.